his ass!
Hey, he's dead. Oh.
Thank you, Heavy. Who's got a bag?
No. I didn't get it. You're supposed to give it.
Here you go, Heavy. We're clear up to Depot. Thanks, Heavy. Hey, get over here and get me! Ooh, Heavy, can I grab your ass? Damn it. Fine, get up here. I'm coming towards you. Yeah, dead men don't tell tales, buddy. Ivan, friendly fire! Hey, grenade. Yeah, bullseye. Sorry for shooting you in the face! I can't get over there, it keeps popping up. How am I still alive? I just pissed my pants! I just seen a Glock fly around the corner. Yeah, it's coming from the right side door. Fuck us up then! I slipped in the mud too.
We have trailers.